You've talked about the number of galaxies. Does any of this ever make you feel insignificant?
Yeah, I mean, so I say sometimes in my live shows, it's kind of a joke, right? So I'm not insulting philosophers here, but I say there's only one interesting question in philosophy, right? And I don't really mean it, but I think it sounds funny. So the interesting question is, what does it mean to live a finite, fragile life in an infinite, eternal universe? So that's not that funny, right? It's a good question. What does it mean to live a finite, fragile life in an infinite, eternal universe? And I think the answer is that, sort of paradoxically, whilst we are definitely physically insignificant, I've just said, that the Earth is one star around the Earth is one planet around one star amongst 400 billion stars in one galaxy amongst 2 trillion galaxies in a small patch of the universe, right? So we're definitely small, you can't argue with that, we're just specks of dust. But if you think about what we are, so everybody, me and you, everybody, we're just collections of atoms, right? Some of them are as old as time pretty much, and some of them were the other ones, everything else other than the hydrogen in our bodies was made in stars, right? So we're all cooked over billions of years. And we're in this pattern that can think. So suddenly, as the great Carl Sagan said, you have a means by which the universe understands and explores itself, which is us. And that sounds unlikely when you put it like that, that you can have a few things that were cooked in the hearts of stars, you stick them together in a pattern and suddenly it has some ideas and starts writing music and art and things. That's quite difficult to comprehend, right? But what happened here, we know that because we're sat here having a conversation. And so the question then becomes, well, on how many other worlds did that happen?